So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to mark not interested on your Facebook reels. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Facebook account. Now you should have to tap on Reels icon, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap here. Then tap on three dot, which is available on the lower corner of right side. Then you can see the option of not interested. So tap on it. Then tap on a title here like this. Then tap on submit. Now you will see fewer posts about that content, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.